Hello, everyone, and welcome back. If you are a student working on your thesis or research project and you feel confused about where to start and how to complete everything step by step, this video is going to make your life much easier. Today, I will walk you through the complete research process from topic selection to thesis submission, and I will also show you the best AI tools you can use at every single step to save your time and improve your work. So let's get started. Step 1. Topic selection. Every research journey starts with selecting the right topic. A good topic should be interesting, relevant, and researchable with available literature. To make this process easier, you can use ChatGPT to generate research ideas and explore trending topics, Google Scholar to check real academic papers and current research trends. Just ask ChatGPT, "Give me research topics in my field with recent gaps," and you will get instant ideas. Instead of a broad topic like education, you can choose impact of AI tools on student learning performance in higher education, or effect of social media usage on academic performance of university students. This makes your research focused and manageable. Step 2. Research problem identification. Now you need to find the research gap. This means what is missing in existing studies. For this step, Perplexity AI to quickly summarize research papers, Google Scholar to read abstracts and find limitations in studies. This step helps you turn a general topic into a focused research problem. You read previous studies and find most research talks about social media impact, but very few studies focus on TikTok usage among university students. So your research problem becomes the impact of TikTok usage on academic performance is not well explored. Step 3. Literature review. Now you collect and study previous research. This is one of the most important parts of your thesis. Use these tools: Zotero to save and organize research papers, Mendeley to manage PDFs and generate citations. These tools will keep your references clean and organized, so you don't get lost in hundreds of papers. You read 10 to 15 research papers and find some say social media decreases grades. Some say it has no effect. Some say it improves communication skills. You organize all this information in your literature review section. Step 4. Objectives and research questions. Now define what your research will achieve. For example, what are you trying to find out? What problem are you solving? Use ChatGPT to generate clear objectives and research questions. Notion to organize your entire research plan in one place. Clear direction means easier research. Objectives: to examine the impact of TikTok on students' study habits. To analyze relationship between screen time and GPA. Research questions: does TikTok usage affect academic performance? Is there a relationship between screen time and grades? Step 5. Research methodology. Now decide how your research will be done. You need to choose quantitative, qualitative, or mixed method. Use ChatGPT to suggest appropriate methodology based on your topic. JASP for basic statistical planning and analysis structure. This step is your research roadmap. You choose quantitative method, survey-based research, 200 university student sample. You collect numerical data like GPA, screen time, and usage hours. Step 6. Proposal writing. Now you write your research proposal. It includes introduction, problem statement, objectives, literature review, and methodology. Use ChatGPT to draft and structure your proposal, Grammarly to fix grammar and improve academic tone. This makes your proposal professional and clear. Step 7. Data collection. Now you collect real data for your research. Use Google Forms to create surveys and questionnaires, Microsoft Excel to store and organize data properly. Always make sure your data is accurate and well-structured. Step 8. Data analysis. Now comes the technical part, data analysis. Use SPSS for statistical analysis and hypothesis testing, Python for advanced data analysis and visualization. This step converts raw data into meaningful results. Step 9. Results and discussion. Now you explain your findings. What did you discover? What does it mean? Use ChatGPT to help write and explain results in academic language. Microsoft Word to properly structure your results and discussion sections. This is where your research starts to make sense. Step 10. Conclusion and recommendations. Now, summarize everything. What did your research prove? Use ChatGPT to generate strong conclusions. Grammarly to refine tone and clarity. A good conclusion leaves a strong academic impact. And that's the complete research process, from topic selection all the way to thesis submission, along with the best AI tools you can use at every step. I hope this video made your research journey easier and clearer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Stay focused, stay consistent, and keep learning.